Okay guys, welcome back to the lesson. I think this is lesson 3, and here I'm going to be talking about how to create customized email. Okay, so as soon as you get your details sent to you by your hosting company, which I guess you followed my link and you registered with Google Host, so your cPanel details will be sent to you. So once you have that, the first thing I recommend you do once you log in into your client area, or you either you go through your client area to your cPanel, or you just type your address, your domain /cPanel, and then you log in. And the first thing I recommend you do is creating this customized email. A customized email is simply an email that is hosted on your domain. This shows people that you are professional. It shows that this is a valid company. Just imagine when you receive how you feel when you receive messages from maybe support@jumia.com, support@ maybe nigerianlawschool.com, and all those companies and the rest. So you know how it feels. So this is the first thing, and the reason for this I'll let you know in the subsequent lessons. So let's see how we can create a customized email. Once you get to this screen that is before us, you click on email accounts, and once you click on email accounts, it will bring you to this page. Now you can see the ones I've created already, like info at Starlink. So for you to create a new one, all you need to do is just come to this place where it says create, and then you click on it. You click on create, and it will bring you to the next screen. Here you need to enter your email address's username. You only need the username here. The @ is already there, so maybe like info, you see that at starlink.org. So at the domain is already there. All you need is just, please take note, you just need the username. Info, it could be inquiries, it could be maybe, let's say, support, it could be admin, it could be even your name, maybe james@starlink.com. You've seen that with some staff of some companies. So but let's just go with admin. So let's say we want to create admin@starlink.com.ng. then we put a password, just like you have password for every other email. So just create a strong password for your email, and then scroll down and you hit create. Once you click on create here, you see an information says creating email. So as soon as that, then you say success, you created admin@starlink.com.ng. You can see that it's been added to the list of email. So you can either click on check mail here, or you click on you type in your browser your domain /webmail, your domain /webmail. It will ask you to enter your email and your password. Then you can still get to this particular place. But if you just click from your cPanel, it will bring you down to this place. So just click on open, and you will see your inbox. You can see the messages in your inbox, just like every other normal email. You see your messages on this left panel here. Just double click and you can see what is inside of the email. So it's as simple as that. Let's go back to the inbox. You just click on this email sign here. You can see click on this email sign here, and then you go back to your inbox. So I think that is that. Let's go back to the cPanel. I think that the next thing I want us to do is creating a forwarder. As you have seen that what is a forwarder? To log into this place all the time may not be very easy. So you need to forward this particular email to an email that you normally receive a lot. Are you getting it now? So it's like forwards. Anytime a message is sent to this particular webmail that I've opened, give me a copy of it. to my regular email, because that one is signed in on my phone. I used to see the notification at all time, so it will make it easy for me to be able to note whenever a customer sends in email. So that is just what we mean by forwarder. So we click on forwarder here. When you click on forwarder, now you can see this place. You can see the ones I forwarded before. I forwarded info@starlink to my personal email, which is meet Mr. BJ. So all you need to do is click on add forwarder. Then you tell us which of the addresses are you forwarding. You can see the domain is already down there, so you just say admin. So admin@starlink, that is the email address you are forwarding to. Then where are you forwarding it to? Your personal email, where you want to be receiving the notification. Just put it there and then click on add forwarder. You may choose to discard copies, but I don't advise that. In case you don't find it, or maybe there's any problem, you can always get a backup copy in the webmail. So you can see all emails sent to admin@starlink will now be copied to Mr. BJ. So, and that is it. From there, anytime a message is sent to the customized email, it will be forwarded. A copy will be forwarded to your personal email. That gives you an edge to note when a customer is communicating with you, or maybe doing anything, or maybe there's an update on your site or anything. You'll be able to get them quickly. So I think that is it for this particular lesson. The next lesson for now will now be going into the WordPress area. So please make sure you do subscribe to the channel, please. This is one of the things you can do to help, at least knowing fully that this is a free course. So it's one of the things you can do to ensure that you support me, to encourage me to keep doing the videos. So please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and give a thumbs up to this video, like the video, share the video. If I am doing this free, I don't think it should cost you anything to share the video to your friends so that they too can benefit. Share the link in the group as well, please, so that we can have more people join and benefit from this training. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video, which will be dropping soon. Bye.